Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the Euro Yen definitely did have a pretty impulsive counter trend, move, but this little one candle to the downside doesn't tell me anything whatsoever that the market's going down. The market is very, very heavily in an uptrend. It could go up to the 138% Fibonacci extension and maybe even beyond. The trend is definitely up on the daily, and the trend is definitely your friend. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely did break structure to the downside. So we could have, an impulsive move down, like either an A or 1. We could have like a corrective wave up, like a B or a 2. It could, make three waves up and bounce from one of these fib levels and go down for either a C or a 3. So it definitely could make a pretty decent little counter trend move. But the thing is, for me, is when the daily is up and the weekly is up, and I go down to the 1 hour and start coming up with reasons to go short, oftentimes I'm just setting myself up for a losing trade, and it actually just keeps on trending up. I always prefer to trade with the trend from the daily and the weekly time frame. And the trend is definitely up right now, and the trend is definitely your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.